Chayote squash is a fruit that has a similar shape to the one of peas and pale lime green color. This incredible food adds beautiful taste to many foods and dishes. But this is not all. Chayote squash offers plenty of health benefits. It is particularly beneficial for your heart and has the ability to prevent cancer. Also called sakiamadul, chayote is usually prepared as a veggie. Actually, it is a fruit that has crunchy, tasty flesh. You can consume it raw or cooked. Depending on the place you live, this fruit is known by different names, including chow chow, Christophine, and mirlitone. So, let's find more about the astonishing benefits of chayote and the reasons why you should start consuming it. 10 incredible health benefits of chayote. 1. It boosts energy. Use chayote and eggs to prepare your healthy breakfast and start your day. This unique omelette is packed with manganese, a mineral that has the ability to support the ability of your body to convert protein and fat into energy. 2. It eases heavy legs and fatigue. Heavy legs and fatigue indicate that your body is deficient in potassium. Consume more potassium-rich foods like chayote to solve this problem. 3. Great for the heart. Chayote has a high content of folate, a type of vitamin B that helps prevent homocysteine buildup. Many studies showed that if you have too much of this amino acid in the body, you have an increased risk to develop stroke or coronary heart disease. 4. Great for the brain. Chayote is an excellent source of vitamin B6. According to many studies, vitamin B6 has the ability to enhance memory performance in many people. 5. Keep us safe from constipation. In case your body requires fiber, you can always count on this fruit. 6. Keeps us safe from acne. Chayote is high in zinc, a mineral that has a direct influence on the hormones in the body responsible for the production of oil in the skin. 7. It's good for the thyroid gland. Chayote provides copper, a mineral associated with thyroid metabolism. It helps the iodine in keeping the thyroid optimized, particularly in the release and absorption of these hormones. 8. Keeps us safe from bone loss. It supplies your body with vitamin K. A deficiency of this vitamin is related to an increased risk of osteoporosis. 9. May have an ability to prevent cancer. Chayote is high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that has the ability to prevent cellular damage caused by free radicals. According to many studies, antioxidants can slow down and prevent the growth of cancer. 10. Soothes leg cramps. Chayote is an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that acts as an electrolyte and can treat and prevent muscle cramps.